Capitalism in America by Alan Greenspan. These entrepreneurs are the drivers of human progress. Capitalism in America is a plea to re embrace America's long held capitalist traditions and entrepreneurial culture in order to rescue the country from its current fading dynamism. Rockefeller, Andrew Carnegie, they were giants of energy and ambition, and they helped to produce a massive improvement in living standards for all. America is losing the pioneering spirit that once defined America. Winston Churchill said, "We have not journeyed across the centuries, across the ocean, across the mountains, across the prairies, because we are made of sugar candy." But now they conclude, sugar candy people are everywhere. America has got all the keys to open the cage, but the great question is whether it has the political will to turn them. Socialism fares equally well among the young, as shown by Senator Bernie Sanders' remarkable 2016 presidential run. Can anything convince future Americans of the superiority of free markets? Who will dominate the world in the coming centuries? Geography and natural resources help explain America's success. J.P. Morgan, who assembled trust and twice saved the US government from default. The American founders gave us an independent Supreme Court that acted as a vigilant guardian of the rights of property and freedom of contract. President Reagan signed the Tax Reform Act of 1986. This helped a new generation of entrepreneurs, from Microsoft's Bill Gates to Starbucks' Howard Schultz. The world as a whole is much richer than it was 3 centuries ago, and the United States of America is the richest land of all. For nearly 2 centuries, its unique dynamic of economic growth has made America the furnace where the future is being forged. This book argues that it is the America love and embrace of capitalism that resulting in the entrepreneurial business culture and the creative destruction inherent in the capitalist market system that have given America its special unique edge in economics wealth. Will America's economy ever grow again? And more than this, will people ever regain the lost faith in its mission? The real motors of historical change were not workers, as Marx had argued, nor abstract economic forces, as his fellow economists tended to imply, but people who built something out of nothing. Reagan had a faith in business and entrepreneurs in particular. America faces challenges because there are reasons that capitalism and therefore America's continuous progress are at risk, and the risks are in the collection of social benefits, primary social security, Medicare, and Medicaid that Americans enjoy simply by right of being Americans. The second risk is overregulation.